plug in our unit. So we plug it up. Power's on. CarPlay is not connected. And we're just going to simply Bluetooth. This is the rotate the screen. As you can see, it's pretty, and this still has the plastic on it, so it's pretty sensitive to the touch. So it's actually, this is one of the better units. It's more responsive than the units that you actually, the double DIN units that you actually put in your dash. As far as, touching the buttons, everything responds really rapidly. And this is even with this plastic film on here, which I'm not going to take off yet because I haven't installed the unit, but testing it out. Let's go back. Let's go to home. So we have our FM transmitter. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the FM transmitter.